Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So for this DIY, I went on Pinterest looking for a armrest side table, but as you see, the prices are a little bit out of my budget. So I'll be creating my own table. If you would like to see how I created this table, just continue watching. To start, I'll be using 6 4x6 glitter frames that I found at graduation time at Dollar Tree, and I'll be taking them apart and putting the glass aside. Next, I'll be using a sheet of sandpaper to sand off the edges that I'll be gluing together so the glue will adhere much better. Next, I'll use my strong adhesive glue and hot glue to glue the frames together. I will leave a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. After gluing them all together, I will take and stack them and glue them again to forming a window frame. Next, I'll be using jumbo-sized craft sticks that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'll be gluing them on the back for a much better hold. Once you're done gluing all the popsicle sticks, this will be optional to leave them as is, paint them, or add some glitter. The option is yours. Next, I'll be applying Modpodge on the front side of the frame to prevent any glitter from falling. Next, I went to Home Depot and purchased a wood border 27x3 for 98 cents. And then I also purchased a 12x12 inches base for the top and bottom. As I'm drilling, I'll be applying wood glue as I go. Next, I'll be using 1.5 inch brackets that I purchased from Home Depot to attach the bottom part. I'll be drilling with 1 inch screws. I'll be repeating the same steps on the opposite side, and I also added wood glue in between the screws for a better hold. For the top part, I used 3 1-inch nails because I noticed some cracks when I was drilling. I'll be using 2 shelf brackets that I purchased from Home Depot for a better hold. I will continue the same steps on the opposite side. Next, I'll be using Modpodge, and I'll be coating the whole entire stand before I begin spray painting. Before applying the gold, I'll apply 1 coat of white spray paint to make the gold much vibrant. Next, I'll be using a wire bending tool to detach the back clips on the back side of the frame. Next, I'll be using a small paintbrush and my strong adhesive glue, and I will be applying the paint inside the edges of the back side of the frame, and then I will attach the glass. Next, I'll be placing not so heavy items on top as it dries. I'll be spray painting this metal organizer that I got from Dollar Tree metallic gold and putting it aside. Once my side table was dry, I flipped it to the back side, and now I'm bringing back the window frame to attach it. I'll be using 6 1-inch nails to attach the frame. Next, I'll be using white LED wire lights, and I'll be gluing them in the back side of the frame on the edges. I also glue them in a wave pattern in the middle. Once I was done with the lights, I used glass cleaner to clean all the glass. Next, I'll be using this double twist metallic silver rope that I got from Michaels, and I'll be gluing it in the front side edges and in between. Next, I'll be using 4 packs of the silver glitter snowflakes and 3 in white, and I'll be gluing them in the front, starting from the bottom part of the frame. If you notice, I am not gluing the snowflakes directly on the glass. I am gluing them on top of each other. This will give the snowflakes a 3D effect. Next, I'll be gluing this Christmas ornament that says snow, and I'll be gluing it in the center part of the top part of the frame. Next, I'll be gluing these snowflake gems all over the glass to give it a snow falling effect. In this bottom part that's showing, I'll be gluing 3 rows of gem wrap. Next, I'll be using 2 packs of each color of the glitter snowflakes, and I'll be gluing them on both sides of the side table. I also added silver gen wrap on the top edges of the base. I will also be adding 3 rows of gen wrap on both sides of the inner side of the table. I will also be using this vinyl rubber mat that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'll be cutting it to size the bottom part and top part of the table. And this rubber mat does have some gold in it, but of course the camera does not do it justice. Next, I'll be using this 27 by 3 piece of foam board, and I'll be using 2 packs of the silver and gold leaf patterning tool. I did want to say that this part is optional, but I wanted to make curtains for the inner side of the table to make it look like an actual window. And this part is very easy. All you need to do is place the piece of foam board in between the tool and just staple it and bunch it up a little as you go. Next, I'll be taking the curtains that I just made and I'll be gluing them on the top part of the inner side of the table, and I'll be using 2 gold thumbtacks and 2 pieces of tulle to hold the corners together. Next, I'll be bringing back the organizer that I spray painted in metallic gold, and I'll be drilling it using 4 1-inch screws on the back side of the table. I've been looking for an armrest side table for a very long time now, where I could just place my laptop and my beverage on top and also have some storage compartment that I could use. So I decided to treat myself for Christmas and make my own. This will be a great inexpensive gift for yourself or for a loved one to have on Christmas Eve while you sit back and enjoy your Christmas movies, enjoy your hot beverage, and socialize with family and friends. I hope you enjoy another holiday DIY as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget to like and share with family and friends. Leave a comment if you like, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I have a lot more coming your way. Happy holidays!